continue, try natin itong walang filter. So, this is without filter. Nag-try lang naman. Bakit ba? Try the makeup. Closer lang naman sa original, diba? So, guys, maglalakad tayo for today para ma-feel natin yung weather is really good. So, napakaganda ng weather today. Hindi na siya gaanong malamig. Hindi tulad noong last first week of February, January, last week sa January. Sobrang lamig niya. Pero ngayon, hindi na siya gaanong malamig. Mild na lang. So, I think next month or before end of the month, mag-iinit na naman tayo. Hindi ako. Hindi ang panahon ng Dubai. Ang summer na rin dito is mga starting March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So, dyan, sa summer season. So, dahil naglalakad tayo, mas okay ang panahon ngayon. Wala lang, bakit? Gusto ko lang magkwento sa inyo. So, I really love Dubai. I really love ang ganda na ambience, malinis, safe. So, tara na, sakay na. So, guys, punta na kayo dito dahil maraming papasyalan. Yes. So, nasa stoplight tayo, guys. Tatawid tayo, dahil naglalakad tayo ngayon. Tsura natin. Kwento ko lang naman sa inyo ang buhay-buhay. I've been 13 years na dito sa UAE, sa Dubai. So, it's really good to see here and very safe. And there's a lot of camera over there. Even in the car, kahit sa daanan madaming camera, maraming magka-fine pag may violation ka. Kaya ingat-ingat pag may kotse ka. Kasi mas mahal ang fine sa sasakyan pag may violation ka. Parking, mali yung parking mo, at saka overtime ka na sa park mo at hindi mo pa binayaran, magka-fine ka. Kaya kailangan watch out talaga. So, ito na nga, yes, matagal na ako dito sa Dubai. 13 years, so dagdag pa natin 2 years more, 15 years, 16 years, 20 years. I love to stay here. This is my second home. I'm from Philippines, but I love to stay in Dubai. I love to work here. I want to share my dedication, my knowledge, and to be a growing or better person, Dun ka mag-uumpisa sa sarili mo, magiging isang buong pagkatao mo. Doon mo malalaman yung malayo ka na sa pamilya mo, sa family mo, that you can survive alone, that no one else will be depend on you, depend on him, depend on them, nobody, just you. You can see the struggle, you can feel the struggle, you have it, these feelings that's stronger than, worse than OMG. Lahat na, all of the problems, struggle, painful, lahat na naranasan ko na. So, graduate na ako doon. So, please naman, sana next level naman, yung slight naman ng hurt and pain. Kasi sobra na. Please lang. Sobra na eh. Nasa isang dekado na tayo, kaya kailangan naman this year ibigay na ni Lord, ano. But it's okay, life it's too short. Kailangan mo lang i-enjoy yung life mo, kasi na mahirap mag-expect ka without something, nothing, with nothing it's happened. Kailangan mong i-ano yung self mo na, oh, this is it, kaya ko to, I can survive, I can do it, I can feel it, and you must keep going, you know. So sana one day, God knows, alam ni Lord, at He knows what's the problem, struggle that you have done through. So yes, it's okay, that's life. You just have to be positive and keep going. Whatever it's happened, just keep going. Just one day you will reach and you can achieve whatever you want in your life. And also, you know, this country, I'm really thankful, because it's really given me a good opportunity of my life, and I survive alone without depend anybody, but just for myself, you know. So you must do same like what I did, like be strong woman, independent. You can survive anything, you can live without anybody, you can help yourself by yourself, and don't be so, you know, don't depend anybody, because at the end of the day you are be alone. You are the one who will live by your side, and nobody will live without any, you know. That's everything. It's like benefits or something, like, you know, something gets from you, but that's because you just want to stay. That's, oh, it's a long story, guys, but it's okay. This is life. Life must go on. So yun lang. See you guys sa next video. Bye.